So Ben Bejo wants to see if YFI is a good trade or a good hold right now. So he says, please, how about YFI, buy or not? So this is not financial advice. I just want you to know that right off the bat. Also, we do have a Telegram group, as you can see, and we have a trading group. If you join through Patreon, I will send you the link to join the Discord. But anyways, let's look at YFI. I haven't looked at this in a long time. I haven't made a video about this in an even longer time. Maybe it's been a few months at least. But $10,600, basically $11,000, $10,700 is resistance on YFI. And support to the downside I see at 5,900. I also see a local low here at 7,000. So really your next support, in my humble opinion, based on looking at the charts, is $7,000. I think this could get a nice move to the upside, as high as this last local support here, which is sitting at, whoops, did not want to do that. Your next resistance, if you get above 10,700, would be about 18,564 on YFI. So to me, it looks good on that time frame. But this is a weekly time frame. The weekly is making, that's a lower high in my humble opinion. The 3-day chart right now is trying to make a higher low, so I do like what I'm seeing there. This could also be a rounded bottom here. So on the weekly chart, definitely still has a lot more downside. So I would just be very cautious. But if you're looking more short term, I think I like where the 3-day is sitting. Let's look at the 2-day time frame right now for YFI. That's a higher low. This is also a falling wedge, but this would be your handle out of this cup and handle. So to me, this looks like a possible move to the upside. To get your measure move out of the cup and handle, you take it from the last local high to the last local low, and that would be your measure move. So really, you have a possible measure move on YFI up to $13,000, 13.1 possibly. That's what I've been looking at on this YFI trade, possibly. Daily chart, 2-day looks oversold. Daily's trying to get the bounce, so I do like what I'm seeing there. 12-hour is making a lower high, but again, I still think this is a falling wedge that hasn't broken out yet. The 8-hour chart is in a downtrend, making a lower high. Just be cautious. But again, top of the channel, I would expect to move back to the bottom of the channel around that $7,500 level. The 4-hour chart right now for YFI is making a higher low, so 4-hour chart suggests that you could get the move to the upside right now. So I would pretty much, I don't know when it's going to break out, but there's a 68% chance in about a week or less you could be at around that $13,000 level. So to me, it's, this is an okay trade setup. I think there's better trades out there, but to me, I can't tell you if it's a good buy or not. Just based off this video, you have to make your own decision for yourself. If you're trying to go about it from an investment perspective, I don't like where the weekly is. That's a lower high. Weekly is more downside, and the monthly is overbought. I won't worry about the monthly because we're in a bull run, and the weekly I would worry about a little bit. But the 3-day looks like it could rip, and the weekly, I don't know. 3-day and under look great to me. In a possible cup and handle with a measure move up to 13.1, but 3-day and above, not so much. So it's, it's high risk, but honestly, I could see about a 50-60% move coming to the upside on YFI in the next week. We'll see what happens. It's not financial advice. If you guys have a request for more altcoins, let me know in the comment section below, and I will do them. If you guys would like to join the trading group, join through Patreon, and then I'll send you the link to join the Discord in that way. Right now, we have 3 Patreon members, so I'm always trying to increase that. We'll see what happens. I will be back live tomorrow, 7 p.m. Central Time. Until then, trade safe. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for a live stream.